Bin ich alle schon zu Fuß drüber gelaufen. Now this is Radio Kiribati.
This is Radio Kiribati. That's it?
Yes, and that's all. Taping something or what? What are you doing now?
I'm typing my news on the telecommunication station in Kiribati. This is in regards with...
When are you going to send it? Can I hear it somewhere?
Yeah, it's going to be out of... Yeah, I can.
Yeah, this would be nice.
Yes, I can make it.
Because don't worry, I only talk good about the Gilbertis. I never make... What are you doing? What are you doing now? My interviewer?
I'm working in any social news item for today's president.
Gracias. So you're writing, you're starting to fix my interview, or what? You just start already now, or what?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. This would be lovely. I hope at least you have learned something, yeah? That Germany is not that backdated like you think.
Yeah, I've learned that Germany is a fast-moving society.
Right?
Very fast.
This is correct.
Yes.
Tarawa?
A lot.
Oh.
Thousands of them?
Yeah. Let me say, my name is Daniel. I'm a reporter for Radio Kiribati.
Yeah.
And
are you reporting about outer islands sometimes?
Let me tell you about a little bit about Kiribati.
Yes.
The Republic of Kiribati obtained its independence in July 1979 from the British Protectorate. The main cash exports are phosphates and copper, while the substance sectors are...
Where do you get the phosphate from? Where do you get the phosphate from?
From
Tabitewe?
From Tarawa Island.
Where?
From Tarawa Island. British Island.
Oh, I see.
We also got some from Ocean Island.
Ocean Island. I thought this belonging to Nauru.
No.
Oh, this belongs to Vice. But most of the people from Ocean Island, they are in Fiji, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
The Panathians.
Yes, I met them. I met them in Fiji. That's why.
Right on my left side is Mr. Gabriel. He's our chief editor.
Oh, this is a chief...
Hello there. Yes, what do you want me to do?
Just say anything about your lovely country. The atolls.
My O'Malley is a bayan which is north of this country.
How many atolls have you got?
We have 17.
17 altogether.
But 30 something. 30 something.
30 islands, but 17 atolls.
Yeah,
right?
So altogether atolls.
Atolls, I see. Good.
And I'm now typing the news about the president who is bound for Honolulu in a way.
Oh, lovely. To America.
To attend this meeting for the Standing Committee of the Pacific Islands Conference.
Very good, yes. This is always in Honolulu or sometimes in Fiji or what?
Well, this conference is taking place in Hawaii this time.
Hawaii, yes. Very good.